Foreign Minister of Government of Israel, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to be in this room, as Minister said, for the second time. Though in the first time, sometime in October last year, the press was not there. And today we disclose that I have came for the second time in here. I am honored with my delegation to be in Israel and to be received second time in this great room, historical room. And we have been working beyond the curtains for more than a year, and we are grateful that Israel government has recognized Somaliland on 26 December 2025. And equally more important is that I came here as head of government of Somaliland, as president of Somaliland, for the first state visit in Israel, the first of its kind in any country on the world. And we are honored to have that privilege as well. I also thank the Minister, the Prime Minister, and the government of Israel. I also thank for the people of Israel. I also wish to commend, Mr. Minister, your important role in advancing Somaliland-Israeli relations. Your vision, your commitment, and leadership have been instrumental in building and strengthening the growing strategic relationship. I would also like to acknowledge the important contributions of other senior officials and members of the security and institutional sectors who have played a constructive role in strengthening this relationship. Their professionalism and dedication have helped build trust, deepen understanding, and create the conditions for broader cooperation between our two countries. The relationship between Somaliland and Israel is of growing importance and carries significant strategic and practical value. It is grounded in mutual interests and shared recognition of the need for stability, development, and cooperation in a complex regional and global environment. There are countless areas in which our two countries can cooperate. In economic fields, Adam is here. There is a strong potential for investment, trade and expansion, private sector partnerships, and infrastructure development. In the security field, there is a clear basis for dialogue, institutional cooperation, capacity building, and information exchange to address shared challenges. In social development, there are important opportunities in education, healthcare, innovation, and institutional strengthening that can directly benefit both peoples. Somaliland remains firmly committed to deepening this relationship across all domains. We see this partnership not as symbolic, but as a practical, forward-looking, and strategic in nature. We are determined to ensure that it develops into a structured and long-term engagement that delivers tangible outcomes. Mr. Minister, in this regard, I would like to strongly encourage your esteemed government to support and promote Israeli business engagement and investment in Somaliland. Our country is an emerging economic destination with significant untapped potential, a stable and secure environment, a free market economy, and a government committed to enabling private sector-led growth. We believe that Israeli investors will find strong opportunities in finance, in construction, in agriculture, in energy, in tourism, in logistics, and extractive industries. We also attach great importance to the institutionalization of our diplomatic relations. The opening of Somaliland Embassy in Israel will represent a major step forward in formalizing and deepening our engagement. At the same time, we strongly encourage the establishment of an Israeli embassy in Somaliland as soon as possible, and this will significantly enhance coordination, cooperation, and long-term partnership between our two countries. Your Excellency, Mr. Minister, we are confident that Somaliland-Israeli relationship is entering a new phase, one defined by seriousness, mutual respect, and strategic ambition. We are committed to working closely with you and your ministry to ensure that this relationship expands across all relevant domains and becomes a model of constructive international cooperation. Mr. Minister, once again, I extend my sincere appreciation for your hospitality, your leadership, and your personal commitment to this relationship. We look forward to working with you to translate this vision into concrete and lasting outcome for both of our peoples. Thank you, Mr. Minister.